In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Shopify store inventory effectively. This process is essential for maintaining an updated and organized inventory, ensuring your business runs smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to your Shopify admin page. Once you're there, find the option labeled My Store on the home page. This is your central hub where you can access all the features you need to manage your store. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page, as it's essential for efficient store management. Next, you'll want to click on the Products tab located on the left-hand side of your admin homepage. This section is crucial as it contains all the products you have listed on your store. Once you are in the Products section, you can view, edit, and organize your different offerings. Be sure to continually update this page as your inventory changes. As you enter the Products section, the next step is to select the Inventory option. This part of your Shopify store admin allows you to keep track of how much stock you have on hand for each product. Managing inventory effectively ensures that you can fulfill customer orders promptly without overselling items that you don't have in stock. Accuracy at this step helps build customer trust and allows you to run promotions with confidence. Within the Inventory tab, locate a specific item you want to manage. For this example, let's focus on an example shirt. Simply click on the product name to bring up its detailed product page. This page provides you with comprehensive information about a particular product, such as its price, description, and variants. Once you're on the product page, look for the Inventory tab again. Clicking this will show you the current stock levels of the item, helping you get a clear picture of how much inventory is available. Adjust the quantities as needed, especially after receiving new stock or noticing discrepancies in physical counts. Keeping this information updated is vital for accurate inventory management. After updating inventory quantities, you'll see an option called Track Quantity. This feature lets Shopify automatically manage stock levels as sales come in. Enabling Track Quantity will help prevent overselling by deducting items sold from your stock count. This automation saves you time and helps avoid potential customer service issues related to unfulfilled orders. Enabling this is a good habit as it aligns your online storefront with actual inventory in real time. That wraps up our guide on managing Shopify inventory with ease. By following these steps, you'll maintain an organized and efficient store. Remember to routinely check your product listings and inventory levels to ensure everything is in order. Thank you for joining us today, and happy selling!